lost my virginity really young at like 13, and then by 15 my body count was like 40 or 50.
Us normals call that a walking red flag. Anyways, check this out.
Looky here. It's a 67 Camaro, but it's the anniversary model. Massive thank you to the GOAT and returning veteran Commander 5405 for gifting me this car. Keep it real, man. This review is dedicated to you. Alright, ladies and germs, here it is, the Camaro. A very unique and quite honestly, really luxurious design. If you remember, I reviewed other Camaros, such as this custom one and the Copo one, but how does this compare to it? Well, both the custom and the Copo both have headlights, while this 67 one does not. Subsequently, these two are the exact same car, it's just this one right here is a different generation of it. Comparing different years of anniversary, this is the 55th anniversary, behind my Twin Mill, and followed by my Nissan Silvia, and quite closely behind by the Jeep J10. There was a car that this reminded me of way back in 2003. The vehicle in question was called the Muscle Tone. Maybe it's because of the paint or how this looks, but I don't know. It just looks the same. One subsequent difference that this has is the back. Look at the boot. It's a lot shorter than the Copo. Even when you line these perfectly up, this is still rather short. But who could blame you? This is still a pretty impressive little Camaro. And as if being a Camaro wasn't already impressive enough, then I'm sure the design will impress you. I mean, look at the underside. Those of you who really like gold might need a minute. For an anniversary model, this stands out quite well, especially with that black paint job. For being a simple 60s Camaro, this still has its perks. I really do like the fact that it just looks like it's ready to roll, has wild exhaust and everything. But how do you feel about the 55th anniversary theme, more specifically on this Camaro? Is it good, is it bad, or do you think they should just redesign the next anniversary? Let me know down below, your opinions are always what makes these videos. And again, massive thank you to Commander 5405.